Expect more from Ecostan. When it comes to chipping, it's stronger than anything else. Presenting all new CCG6 by Ecostan. This Ecostan massive chipper is capable to chip through 10-ton material per hour, powerful enough to chip any type of agricultural waste. Ecostan CCG6 comes with two 13 feet long input and output conveyors with large feed opening, automatic control panel and 42 cutting blades to make the operation more efficient and easy to manage. This chipper can also cut through fluffy material and had tested in critical conditions on materials such as bushes, paddy straw, sugarcane straw, cotton stalk, coconut leaves, wood logs, etc. The new CCG6 chippers build reliability, excellent cutting performance and more profitability to your operation, with 6 all-new models ranging from 300 kilograms per hour to 10,000 kilograms per hour. Inquire for more information. Book now. Ecostan. Making world better place.